So he called me to test for this, and his associate Vaibhav Vishant took my audition. I really enjoy and I look forward to doing action scenes, but they are also physically very demanding and big 4D, big time 4D. And I had an amazing time when I was in Chennai. मैंने सारे states का food taste कर लिया था. Huge Kamal Haasan sir fan.
Wow.
Huge, massive Kamal Haasan since I was a small kid. इतना सारा बनाया था. So it was really sweet of him.
Vanakkam sir.
नंट्री थैंक यू सो मच. पारस बोलेंगे आपको नाम?
जी जरूर.
उसी तरीके से प्रोनाउंस करेंगे ना, पारस.
या.
Thank you so much, Paras, and thank you for inviting me on your show. And मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा अभी जब आपने मुझे मेरा तमिल में इंट्रोडक्शन दिया है. It was really nice and sweet. और मैं जब हम चेन्नई में शूट कर रहे थे मुझे वाले डेज याद आ गए.
Exactly. So I'd like to tell my Tamil audience as well that this interview would be in English क्योंकि people around here not many know the language Hindi and you might not know Tamil. So let's keep a common language English and we'll just converse. We'll have the interview in English.
Okay.
Yeah. कभी कभार if you feel like थोड़े बहुत मतलब शब्द आपको इस्तेमाल करना हो तो you could just use the language.
आ जाएगा.
हाँ. So sir, I really wanted to know how did you land up the role of JK Talpade?
I won't use any. I actually auditioned for this part and Mukesh Chhabra ji, who
the casting
has done
director,
the casting for the series, so he called me to test for this, and his associate Vaibhav Vishant took my audition, and after the audition I was quite confident that I did a great job. I did a good job with my audition, and I was just hoping and praying because in the past a lot of times what happened that even if my auditions were good, things didn't materialize, or if a project was really good, I was never selected.
Okay.
So I was praying hard that I don't want to let go of this opportunity, and God make this happen. Thankfully Raj and DK liked my audition, and they called me in their office, and earlier the character was supposed to be Bengali, but I had given the audition in a neutral accent without any Bengali accent, and they liked it, and they said we can't make you Bengali because you don't look like a Bengali, and you don't if you put on an accent it will be fake.
Yeah.
So I said I'm a Mumbaiya boy. I'm born and raised in Bombay, and I can speak Marathi also. So that's how Ghosh became JK Talpade.
Lovely. What a journey. And I was so surprised to know that you were the one who were part of films like Filmistan, Pullu, because they were such incredible films that didn't get the right kind of recognition, if I may say. And today that your role has been acknowledged as JK Talpade, I really feel so happy about the fact, sir.
Thank you so much, Paras, that you've seen my previous works as well. Filmistan is the closest to my heart, and it will always remain so, because my journey actually began with Filmistan, because the kind of recognition I received for the first time, it was because of Filmistan, and I had a great time, and I had a beautiful experience during the shooting of that film, and even post Filmistan, after the release, the kind of appreciation the entire team received, it was unbelievable for us. So yeah, thank you. आपके उंगली में कुछ चोट लगी है क्या?
हाँ सर, वो उंगली ना कट गई थी, तो I'm just managing with that. Now that you've spoken about this छोटा सा मतलब Kharoj, I'd like to ask about the stunt sequences you were part of. Season 1 had you being part in one of the most crucial parts, the hospital wala shootout scene. You know, that single take that was so beautifully shot and staged. And season 2 had the police station shootout. You were
Correct.
part in season
Yeah.
1, but I think you missed out on season 2. So how do you feel about that?
I was there in the
The shootout may last may you just enter, now
ah
the thing.
I just enter in the end. Yeah, I missed out in the action sequence. So I really wanted to be a part of it because I love doing action sequences and the chase, holding the gun and firing bullets. It's like full on adrenaline rush, and I really
Exactly.
enjoy and I look forward to doing action scenes. But they are also physically very demanding. And uh, during that scene which we did with Samantha, when we chase Samantha and we catch her,
Yeah.
and she hits me. So I really I did get hurt yeah, in that scene, and the way she kicks me and I fall on the ground. If you will see it,
Yeah.
there are there's nothing over there. Just it was like a free fall.
It was very raw.
So
It was
I
beautifully.
got hurt there
Yeah.
also. Yeah, and but it was but I enjoyed doing it so much. I can't begin to tell you.
And
I wish I
Samantha,
was a part of that police station sequence also.
yeah, we really wished, kyunki while watching you in the hospital thing, that was so high on energy scene, and
Yeah.
now watching a similar plot in season 2, and seeing that, oh my God, Jake is missing on
Yeah.
such great stuff. So we as an audience felt the same too.
Yeah.
And
That
now
is
that
so sweet.
you've spoken about Samantha, Raji is one character that's been getting mixed responses down south here.
Yeah.
But I should appreciate the effort she's put into the action sequences, and to involved you as well. So I think Raji has a lot of fondness or attraction towards J.K. Talpade, because she attacks you for the first time, and for the next time when you try escaping from the den, it was like, yeah, please, but jao. We as an audience were like, oh my God, he should just escape for his life. And then when we got to know, okay, bande mein jaan hai abhi bhi, so we were like, okay, relaxed. So how was that sequence? What was the reaction or feedback you received for that scene? How did you prepare for that?
The feedback has been immense, and the kind of messages I've received after people have finished watching till 8th episode. People have stopped the show and messaged me कि please बता दो आप जिंदा हो कि नहीं, please बता दो. अगर आप मर गए तो हम शो नहीं देखेंगे. तो वो मतलब it was so cute. एक फैन ने भेजा कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरी उम्र भी आपको लग जाए.
God, that's
So
so
it was
sweet.
it was really sweet and emotional also at the same time, and I can only thank God for giving me this beautiful opportunity and so much of love which I'm getting because of JK Tarbate. It's amazing and it's overwhelming. So that scene was really again the chase and Samantha shooting me while I was climbing the wall. When I climbed the wall and when I jumped to the other side, there were precautions and everything was there. As in safety things were all taken care of. But I fell directly on my chest. The fall, I took it on my chest, and for 2 months that pain was there constantly on me in my chest, and it was like an internal thing. But then, तो वहाँ से वो pain जो था, that pain was there for 2 months, and but then I got okay and I got fine. So इतना problem नहीं हुआ. But yeah, I had a great time doing that sequence, and Samantha is a wonderful co-actor to have. She was very sweet, and we had very few sequences together, but whatever scenes we had, मुझे मजा आया बहुत उनके साथ काम करके.
Nice, sir. Or apart from the action sequences, you had a nice comical, angle as well. that had the series on a lighter note. कभी कभी बहुत high octane action sequences के बीच में you have this nice comical track, your bromance with Shrikant, or maybe your foodie wala the character in you. So I really wanted to know if you are a foodie in real life, just for the series you've been projected as that, like खाने की शौकीन.
Big foodie.
Big foodie, big time.
I'm a big foodie, big time foodie, and I had an amazing time when I was in Chennai. मैंने सारे states का food taste कर लिया था चेन्नई में, and it was आपका actually I really, जैसे मैंने film series में I've said कि I love South Indian food. I really love South Indian food. And,
like idli sambar chutney and medu vada, or apart from that
idli sambar chutney medu vada और उसके बाद सब खत्म. उसके बाद I don't know the names, but whatever I've tried and whatever I've tasted, it's all amazing. Chicken का जो non-veg dishes होता है, they are all so tasty and delicious. जिसे वो chettinad है.
Chettinad
really
chicken,
nice.
did you try that?
Then
nice.
I don't remember the names now. Yeah, I did. It was amazing. That was my favorite.
Okay.
So yeah.
So whenever like JK sits to eat, have his lunch or kabhi kabar snacks, someone or the other just interrupts and just takes you away, and you just have to leave that. So does it happen in real life as well, that you sit like to eat this favorite dish of yours, and then someone calls you for some work and you'll have to leave that and just walk? Does it happen in real life?
I never leave my food. Nobody can do that to me in real life.
Okay.
And I won't disrespect my food, and I won't leave it midway, and I will only get up after finishing my food. Because खाने को नाराज नहीं करना चाहिए.
Correct. And there's another scene where you and Shrikant, like Manoj sir, you sit in a restaurant, you order some dish, and then for the drink या बाद में after you have your whatever your lunch or something, they tell like इतना bill होगा, and you're like, why do I need to eat in this restaurant? मैं तो बाहर ही कर लूँगा. I'll just take it away. I'll have something from outside. So does that happen in real life? Because that was one scene where we could connect as an audience. Matlab, we see the dessert wala section. If it's like too costly, this though it's cheaper outside and it is tastier as well. So
exactly. I do it all the time in real life as well. जब family के साथ जाते हैं कि आइसक्रीम ना इधर पे नहीं बाहर खाएंगे.
Okay.
So I won't deny that. And उसमें मजा है.
So how similar are JK and Sharib? मतलब the two characters, JK and Sharib.
I don't know how similar we are. I think they both have a good sense of humor.
Yeah.
And but I'm not laid back like JK. I'm very active, and I'm very I'm not lazy like him. And I think I'm not very street smart like JK.
Okay.
But all the good qualities of JK you can find in Sharib.
Okay, and the JK thing, just JK, is that similar as well?
Yeah.
Just JK.
Yeah.
Call me just JK.
Yeah, I don't like to be referred as or addressed as sir. So मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ call me Sharib.
Okay.
So वो भी same है, yes.
Okay. So was that your idea? So let me just include this as well. Okay, it was the creator's idea. We just had this character trait.
It was in the script. Yeah.
Script. Okay. So that was really
it was
nice.
There in the script. Yeah.
The first time you tell Zoya from season 1, no, just JK, and then you season 2 you again tell Umayal, just JK. So
Umayal.
Yeah, people just got it. Oh my God, ये तो अभी भी चल रहा है. So it was like that.
ये आगे भी चलेगा.
Yeah, we're looking forward to season 3 as well. Season 2 ended on in a really good way, and season 3 का जो था, the premise or whatever they had showed us, it's again created that hype and excitement. कब आएगा season 3? So before we could go to season 3, I also wanted to know, like, how was your landing in Chennai? Of course, it would have been a safe landing. Then you get onto the streets and you start dancing for the beats of, Chennai and all. How was that experience? Tell us about that.
I always wanted to come to Chennai, and because I'm a huge Kamal Hassan sir fan,
Wow.
huge, massive Kamal since I was a small kid.
Okay.
From the day I saw Ek Duje Ke Liye, I made sure to watch every Tamil film which came on Doordarshan during that time, and I saw so many of his Tamil films, Guna, Nayakan, and Tevar Magan, and so many of them. Swati Mudhyam, it's a Telugu film, but I saw that also, Swati Mudhyam, Sagar Sangamam. So I'm a huge Kamal Hassan fan, I'm a huge Ilaiyaraaja fan, I'm a massive S.P. Balasubramaniam fan, and A.R. Rahman, and Mani Ratnam. So I always wanted to visit Chennai, and I during my college days, I used to memorize a lot of Tamil songs and sing in college functions. And I love the music, I love the culture, I love the people. I always wanted to come to Chennai, and thankfully, thanks to the second season of Family Man, I got that opportunity, and we had a whale of a time in Chennai, communicating or miscommunicating with people. It was really cute and it was amazing. And एक बार मैं मोबाइल स्टोर में मेरा चार्जर खो गया था, तो मैं वहाँ पर गया, and I was just humming Rowdy Baby, जो वहाँ पे स्टोर में जो बंदा था, उसने बोला हाँ तमिल आता है, बोला नहीं आता है, सिर्फ गाना आता है। तो और मतलब ऐसे ही मतलब मुझे बहुत मजा आया था चेन्नई में, और हम लोगों ने पता नहीं कहाँ खाना खाया, आंध्रा मेस में, and I don't remember the restaurants names now, and one whole day Sajid and me, Shahab and me, मतलब पूरे चेन्नई के सड़कों पे घूमे, मरीना बीच पर गए, दोपहर को कहीं खाया, शाम को कहीं खाया, रात को कहीं डिनर किया.
Yeah, I heard about it.
We had a day, we both had a day off, और हम लोगों ने मतलब we had a blast that day.
So you've mentioned about your singing talent as well, your love for Kamal sir, SPB sir, and everyone. And I even came across a few of your singing videos that we'll have it towards the end. आपका जो singing session है, we'll have it towards the end. And I wanted to know that before you landed in Chennai or the South regions, you must have had a notion of, okay, matlab, people are like this is how their culture is. Did that change on meeting them or staying in Chennai?
So I really didn't have any preconceived notions that, Chennai people like that. But when I visited Chennai, my love for, Tamil and my love for Chennai only multiplied, and I'm looking forward to come back and visit Chennai again and meet my friends, friends which I've made during the shooting of Family Man. I would love to meet Didi, Ravindra. So yeah, I'm looking forward to my next visit. Hopefully it happens soon.
Definitely, sir. And even I'm looking forward to meeting you in person. If you're here in Chennai anytime soon, maybe just let me know.
Inshallah. Inshallah.
Sir, and I even wanted to know, okay, you tried all the South Indian dishes. Did you make your South Indian friends, matlab Didi, Ravindra, everyone who worked along with you, to try North Indian dishes like vada pav or dal makhani, something like that?
ये वहाँ उन लोगों ने ट्राई तो पहले से किया हुआ था ये सब. तो मैंने और एक बार चेन्नई में when we were shooting in Chennai, Manoj sir made an amazing Bihari mutton for the crew.
Okay.
So he's an amazing cook, Manoj sir, and that Bihari mutton was so delicious, and everybody in the unit ate it. मतलब इतना सारा बनाया था उन्होंने. So it was really, really sweet of it.
So there is a scene in season 2 where you, like JK and Srikanth are locked up, and you're like oh ma'am, you've mistaken us, this is not us, this is not what you're thinking about. And then you start like shouting, and you then Shrikant tells, abe bhadak jayegi, and you're like, kya hoga, this that, and then she misunderstands it to like you're abusing her, using some cuss words, and like, oh, you're calling me, and that's how it happens. So has it ever happened in such a way that if mispronounced a word and uska meaning kuch aur nikle? Did that happen?
It did happen, with me. I don't remember any such experience, but लेकिन हाँ ऐसा अभी जो फिल्म में जो पूरा जो सीरीज में जो पूरा सीक्वेंस है that I really everybody used to ask me which is your favorite scene in the entire series.
Yeah.
And I always tell them that jail sequence is my favorite because we had so much fun shooting for it, and wanted to know how people felt about it. And after the release, the kind of response I received for that scene is amazing. And people have especially, after watching that scene, immediately they've called me, "Yeah, that scene is really nice and it's hilarious and it's shaped up, just the way I imagined."
Yeah.
And I'm very, very thrilled with the kind of response I received for that scene.
So, like I said before, there's a dance portion where you just get into the streets and you start dancing for a nice beat. That was just for a few seconds, like in montages. Did you happen to go for a full beat, a pura lengthy beat ke liye? Did you happen to dance off
Yeah,
camera?
we did, and I've even shared that reel on my Instagram.
Okay.
I don't know if you've seen it.
Manoj sir also joins in between. Is it that?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
that
exactly.
was
That
nice.
was the same sequence you're talking about. Yeah.
Okay. Like we have two more questions. One is a deleted scene that you really liked and was not there in the final cut. I mean, a scene that deleted scene के बारे में आपको बात करना है.
Most of my scenes, are there. Most of my scenes are there in the final edit. But there was one scene which I really liked, where Shrikant tells me कि यार Suchi told me that our marriage is a sham. So I asked him, क्या sham बोली उसने? Sham का मतलब तो आगे वो same चीज वो पूरा होता है. बोला अच्छा सूची ने बोला तो शायद ठीक ही होगा.
Okay.
वैसा कुछ तो था. तो वो एक I missed that scene in the.
Maybe like deleted scenes करके we could release that probably after the response goes on well.
Yeah.
Tell us about one memorable incident that happened to you or with you during the shoot of the Family Man series, season 1 and season 2 maybe.
There are so many things which happened during the shoot of Family Man, and मेरे लिए तो जो shooting हो रही थी वही मेरे लिए सबसे important और सबसे beautiful चीज थी, because I so wanted to be a part of this series and I really wanted to work with Manoj sir. I really wanted to be in the world which Rajan DK created. So I really wanted to be a part of it, and thankfully things materialized and people loved my work, and I can't thank them enough, Rajan DK and Mukesh Bhai and everybody who was responsible for me to be in the series.
Nice.
Because it changed my life, it revived my career, and after that Asur happened, then Scam happened, and then the second season just took it to another level.
Exactly. So you've been part of such amazing films like Filmistan, Pullu, and then series like Asur, Scam 92,
Yeah.
and Family Man series.
Yeah.
How do you see yourself as an actor in the next few years? A dream role that you'd like to perform in?
How do I see myself? ये तो मतलब इंटरव्यू वाला क्वेश्चन मतलब जॉब इंटरव्यू वाला क्वेश्चन है. Where do you see yourself after 5 years? I don't know where will I be, but I would want to, be on the sets and working and doing what I really love, and that is acting, and keep doing different kinds of roles. There are so many characters I want to explore. There are so many shades which I want to, portray in front of the screen, and I hope I get to do all of them. Yeah.
Definitely, sir. Looking forward to it. And before we could conclude today's interview, I'd like the audiences over here to get to know about your this talent, the singing talent. So, if possible, could you just sing a few lines for us from your favorite song, Tamil song?
From my favorite, there are two songs which I really, really, really love. One is one is from Podimuga. கண்ணக்கு மை அழகு கவிதைக்கு பொய் அழகு கண்ணத்தில் குழி அழகு கார்கோந்தல் பெண் அழகு கண்ணக்கு மை அழகு கவிதைக்கு பொய் அழகு கண்ணத்தில் குழி அழகு கார்கோந்தல் பெண் அழகு. एक है thank you, and there
Amazing.
is one song from Duet. Thank you. there is one song from Duet.
Okay.
Mittu Podu, which I really love. தங்கமை தமிழத்தில்லை தட்டு பாடு ஒரு சரக்கிறக்கத முறுக்கிறக்கத விட்டு போடு எத்தனை சபைகள் கண்டும் எத்தனை பகையும் கண்டும் அத்தனையும் சூடம் காட்டி சுட்டு போடு விட்டு போடு விட்டு போடு என் காய் பிடித்த தவிடத்தில்லை தட்டு பாடு போடு விட்டு போடு அழுக்கடலை கொண்ட கற்பனைக்கில்லை தட்டு பாடு. பஸ் இதுதான்.
Sir, I am not just saying this to flatter you, but I could literally hear SPB sir. अभी जो SPB sir गाते हैं, literally sir, maybe आप शायद you would have practiced to get SPB sir's voice और वो आपके अंदर है, I really don't know, but you exactly sounded like SPB sir.
अरे बाप रे बाप, ये तो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा वो है. Thank you so much.
Thank you sir, and
मैसिव है, बचपन से उनको सुन रहा हूँ उस वजह से शायद.
Yeah, probably, maybe.
एसपी बाला, हाँ.
And आपका ये talent देखकर definitely I know the audiences would have enjoyed this thing. So looking forward to seeing this talent of yours in films and series of yours, sir, future में.
I really hope. हाँ, मुझे तो I would love to do a Tamil film, full blown Tamil film.
Most welcome.
Maybe
most
in
welcome.
future, I don't know कब मौका मिलेगा. लेकिन अगर हाँ, I would love to be a part of a Tamil film or a Malayalam film. I'm hoping that I get this opportunity.
Definitely, sir. Looking forward. We are welcoming you with all our hearts because JK is one such character that strike a chord with all our audiences over here. And
Thank you.
பாக்குற மக்களுக்கும் இன்னைக்கு ஷாரிப் அவர்கள் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்கன்னு உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கும்னு நான் நம்புறேன். ஏன்னா இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங் ஃபேக்ட்ஸ், விஷயங்கள், தெரியாத விஷயங்கள் வந்து நம்மளோட ஷேர் பண்ணிருக்காரு. So thank you so much once again and wishing you a bright future ahead.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me on your show and मजा आया बात करके.
Thank you sir. Finally, நன்றி வணக்கம்.
நன்றி வணக்கம். நன்றி.